What if I told you that a brand new YouTube channel called One Bible Verse went from 0 to over 50,000 subscribers in just 1 month with only 9 videos uploaded on their channel? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. At the time of recording this video, with just 10 videos uploaded, they have managed to gain over 3 million views. Their first video hit 2.2 million views and they are already making over $1,000 every single month with ad revenue. And this is happening without fancy equipment or complicated editing. I will show you exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel just like this one and how you can replicate their success using completely free AI tools. Do not skip any part of this video because you might just skip the best information needed for you to succeed in this type of a niche. Now, if you're new, consider subscribing to our channel because more value awaits you. To start with, your topic is everything when it comes to this type of videos. But let's be honest, coming up with fresh ideas every week can feel exhausting. That's why I have created a Google Doc packed with prompts to help you spark faith-based video ideas modeled to what One Bible Verse uses to go viral. I'll leave the link to this Google Doc in the description below. This Google Doc contains 3 different prompts that will help you create a successful video. So the first prompt is the idea prompt. All you have to do is just copy this prompt, come to ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. You can specify the number of ideas that you want. From there, just hit enter and wait for the magic to unfold. Once ChatGPT is done giving you topic ideas, pick the one that hits your heart the most. That's your first video. Now, once you pick your first video idea, let's turn that topic into a video that people can stop watching. Go back to the Google Doc and grab the second prompt that will help you write the best script and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, fill in your topic. When we go back to One Bible Verse, we notice that their videos are between 3 minutes to 6 minutes long. So keep your script short and very impactful. About 4 to 6 minutes long is perfect. I'll pick number 3, which says the hidden battle behind your delay and what God is really doing. Once that is done, just hit enter and wait for the magic to unfold. And within seconds, you'll have your script that's emotionally engaging, spiritually grounded, and perfectly structured to hold attention from start to finish. If you have reached this far, click on the subscribe button because more value awaits you. Now that we are done writing a script, this takes us to the next step where we need to generate the voiceover. And the tool that we're going to use is ElevenLabs. Once you're on ElevenLabs, sign up if you do not have an account. If you already have an account, kindly log in. And once you log in, what we want to do is come to this button that says text to speech. From here, the first thing is we need to choose a voice that is perfect for storytelling. Come to voices here. From here, select a voice that is perfect for storytelling. If you cannot find your perfect voice here, you can come to voices here on your left. From there, come to library. From there, select narrative and story. Now, pick the one that will be suitable for your narration. Once you find the voice that you love, just click on the add button. From there, it will say use. Just click on it. Once the voice selection is done, go back to your story and copy the first paragraph. I recommend generating voices paragraph by paragraph, for this gives you the best results. So just copy your first paragraph, come to ElevenLabs and paste it there. From there, you can adjust the speed and the stability of your voice together with the similarity and the style exaggeration. Once that is done, I will click on generate speech. If you are happy with the way it sounds, just click on the download button. From there, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second paragraph, come back to ElevenLabs, delete the one that you have, paste in the one that you've copied, and click on generate. Once you're happy with the way it sounds, click on the download button here. Now, repeat the same process for the entire story that you have. Once you are done generating your voiceover, this takes us to the next step where we need to generate visuals for our story. This is a wonderful time where we need to paint the message with powerful visuals. Now, go back to your Google Doc, copy the final prompt. That will help you to generate image prompts and paste it into ChatGPT. It will return highly descriptive, emotional-driven prompts based on your script. Once that is done, the tool that we're going to use to generate images is Leonardo AI. Once you're on Leonardo, log in. That's if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, sign up. Once you sign up, click on the Launch app. On this dashboard, click on Image. Select the preset to be Phoenix 1.0, turn off the prompt enhancer, leave the style to be dynamic and the contrast to be medium, select the aspect ratio to be 16:9 because of the type of videos we are creating, and leave the number of images to 4. From there, Close this tab and paste in the first prompt from ChatGPT. Select Generate. Once your images are generated, close this tab, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, come back to Leonardo and paste the prompt there. Hit Generate. From there, repeat the same process until all your images are generated. Once that is done, this takes us to the next step where we need to edit everything and bring our video to life. The tool that we're going to use is CapCut. Now, before we edit our videos, you can come to Clean PNG and search for specific elements that you feel will be suitable for your video. Elements like Bible, crosses, and other biblical or spiritual elements that might be needed in your videos. Just click on the specific element that you want to download, scroll down a little bit, and you'll find the free download icon here. Just click on it and it will verify if you're human. Once it verifies that you are human, just click on the download icon and your image will be saved in your PC. Open CapCut and upload all your image files and your audio files. Once uploaded, drag the audio file to the timeline in their order. Once that is done, look for a white background that you can use as your video background. Just come to Canva, click on YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, the thumbnail is set to white by default, but if you want to blend it, you can come to Element, search for white backgrounds, and come to Photos and select any white background of your choice. Increase its size so that it fills the screen. Once that is done, click on Share and download it into your PC. Once the background is downloaded, upload it to CapCut. From there, drag it to the timeline, increase its size to match with that of the audio. Once that is done, match the images of your script line by line. From there, use mask to crop the image focus. Select the image and come to mask. From there, click on add mask, and after that, select a specific mask that you want to use. We select a circle and we increase its size like that. Then, if you're happy with the way it looks, scroll down a little bit and increase the feather so that it has those smooth edges. If you're happy with the way it looks, come back to basics, drag your image a little bit at the corner like that. From there, repeat the same process for all your images. Select your image, come to mask, click on add mask, select the circle, increase the size, scroll down a little bit, increase the feather by 3, go back to basics and drag your image anywhere you would love to place it. Once masking is done, what you want to do is come to caption and click on auto caption. From there, just click on generate to generate caption for your story. Once your caption is generated, select it and edit it to your preference. Come to text. From there, select a font that you would love to use for your videos. Once that is done, select the color of your text. Since our background is white, we'll choose a black color. Once that is done, place it anywhere you would love to place it. Once you align your text, what you want to do is select the animation for your text. I'll select the type animation, then I'll increase its duration up to the end.
Why does it feel like everything is on hold in your life right now?
Just like that. That's just so perfect. From there, align your text with your image and the audio file. Once you are done, what you want to do is add some sound effects to your text. Since we've selected the typing animation for our text, what we're going to do is we'll come to audio. From there, we'll come to sound effects. Then here we'll type in typing. We hit enter. We listen to them and pick the one that will be suitable for our video. I'll grab this one and drag it at the bottom like that. I'll reduce its duration depending with the length of my text and the words that are being spoken at that particular moment. From there, I repeat the same process for all my images and my text. Once I am done, the last thing that I want to add are some animation to my images. As the image is being introduced to the scene, I want it to have that effect. So just click on the image, come to animation. Now select the animation as your image is being introduced to the scene and as your image will be introduced to your scene. Select the slide animation.
It's not random.
And from there, you can increase and reduce its duration at the bottom here. From there, repeat this for all your images. And once that is done, the final thing is adding the background music that suits your video. Just type in the specific music that you want, or if you have your specific audio, you can simply drag and drop it here. Once you drag your audio sound there, just to reduce its volume so that it does not overpower your narrating audio. And once you're happy with how everything looks, the final thing is downloading your video into your PC. That's how easy it is to create this type of videos using free AI tools. If this video is helpful, consider subscribing because more value awaits you. From here, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would really love to hear your feedback. God bless you. See you.
Why does it feel like everything is on hold in your life right now? Doors closed, prayers unanswered, dreams delayed. It's not random. It's war. There is a hidden battle behind your delay,